This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to make money from a timeshare. If an individual is interested in the world of timeshares, it's a great way to see the world and experience real estate at the same time. If you're in a given resort community and you go out to a presentation on a timeshare, and you decide to participate in your share of that particular resort, always make sure that you pick the best possible week that will work for you. It's called a red week, and red weeks as opposed to blue and green weeks, those are off-season weeks. The red weeks are the ones that are the most difficult to obtain. They are the highest price, of course, but when it comes to making money, you want to have something that is difficult to obtain by other people. And as a result, you can enjoy your timeshare for a period of time, whereas it no longer meets your goals and aspirations. You can then go to a reseller, and because you are in possession of a red week, you will have more opportunity to make money on your timeshare. This is financial planner Patrick Monroe talking about how to make money in timeshares.